In this video, I'll show you how to remove Passkey from your Microsoft account. If you previously added a Passkey on your phone or computer and want to remove it, don't worry. It only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your device and visit Outlook.com. Then log into your Microsoft account. Now tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, then click My Microsoft Account. Now scroll down and tap on Security. After that, click on Security Dashboard, then select Manage How I Sign In to view your sign-in methods. Next, find the Use a Passkey option and tap on it. Then click Remove and tap Remove again to confirm to remove the Passkey. That's it. Your Passkey has now been removed. And that's how you can remove a Passkey from your Microsoft account. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.